Hi there, students. A promontory. Promontory. Countable noun. Okay, a promontory is a geographical feature. It's a ridge of land that juts out, that goes out into the sea or into a lake. Okay, it projects into the sea or into the lake. You could call it a headland. So at the end of a beach, very often you find there's a promontory of rocks that go out into the sea. So a headland, a foreland, you could call it as well. um, a promontory doesn't have to only be into the sea, or to a lake, but it most commonly is. You can have a high area of land projecting into something lower. For example, you could have a desert, and there could be mountains at the edge of the desert and promontories of rock going out into the desert. So a bluff or part of a plateau, a promontory overlooking a lowland. So I don't know, I guess Table Mountain is a place where is a promontory which goes out into a lower lying area. Okay, so a narrow area of high land that sticks out into the sea, a headland. That's the most common definition of it. It juts out into the sea or to a lake. It could also be it juts out into a lower area of land. So a cliff, effectively, that stretches out into the sea. There was at the edges of a bay in the sea, you'll find there are promontories. So a cape as well. You could call a cape or a spur of land, or a point, yeah, or even a head as well. So okay, this is our promontory. As to formality, it is what it is. I think I'd probably give it, yeah, a 5.5 in formality. I think you can use it just about anywhere. I was trying to think of ways to use this metaphorically, but it doesn't come to me easily. Maybe you guys who are smarter than me can give me a nice metaphoric meaning of promontory. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin promontorium, from pro and mineo, to project or to jut out. Okay, so pro, towards, forward. Yeah, so it's something that juts out. Okay, so a promontory. They also actually use this in anatomy as well, a part of the body that projects out. So I guess maybe the tail of an animal could be referred to as a promontory in anatomy, but I think that's quite unusual. Okay, so a promontory, a headland, a cliff jutting out, sticking out into a body of water. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A promontory.